As you can see, I have a little bit of hair loss to cover. My name is Jamie and I have been partnering with UniWigs for about 3 years now, and I just am finishing up my first year of being a UniWigs education ambassador. So I want to chat with you a little bit while I put on my hair topper today. I'm going to be wearing UniWigs' new lace front version of Upgrade Courtney. So one of the things I love about UniWigs is that they're always coming up with new ideas and new products to help women with hair loss. So they definitely are catering to all different styles of hair loss and all the many needs that women with alopecia might have. And obviously they still keep the affordability in mind. I think these products are really accessible. So there have been a lot of times in my hair loss journey where I feel like I have stepped back from doing a lot of things out in public or gatherings with family. I was always dreading kind of those events and things like that. And having these UniWigs pieces has really just helped me feel comfortable in my own skin again. So I have been wearing hair toppers for a while, but as my hair loss has progressed, obviously I've been reaching for them way more often. This year during the holiday season, it was my first holiday season of full-time really being in hair toppers. My hair loss has progressed to a point where I feel most comfortable when I'm wearing hair. So this was my first holiday season where I was hanging out with family and doing these parties and things and wearing hair for the first time. And I have to say I was so much more excited knowing that I had something to put on and feel really good about myself and not have to dread getting dressed up for these events and things because my hair was looking bad. I knew it would always be looking good, which is so refreshing as someone who, is losing their hair. One of the biggest things about wearing hair toppers is you're worried about what other people think, because I think people in our lives seeing us with a hair topper on, we often are worried about what they're going to think. But I have been finding my experience with these pieces to be that people don't even realize that you're wearing anything. Even my son, who is 11 years old, he knows all about my hair loss. He knows I wear hair toppers. He's seen my bald spots, but he will often look at me really closely and say, "Wait, are you wearing a hair topper today?" And he's always so surprised when I'm like, "Yeah, I am wearing a hair topper today." Even someone that close to me that sees me all the time can't tell that I'm wearing it. So that just adds a whole other layer to my confidence when I hear things like that. So it really has been a lifesaver, and it has really been a confidence boost. And these pieces have helped me get back to living my life and being excited about doing things and being out and about and showing myself out in public. Hair loss can really deflate your confidence. And I'm just so happy to have something that I can rely on to give me that little boost back that I need. So I'm really looking forward to continuing to work with UniWigs. Everyone that I've worked with at UniWigs has been so helpful, so understanding. They really do care about their customers. I think that is what makes a company great, is beyond just pumping out products. They actually are looking at what our needs are as women and trying to find things that will be helpful.